Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, if you're new to my channel, my name's Colleen and I absolutely love decorating my home and any home renovations. I also do DIY projects and I love Rae Dunn, so I do some Rae Dunn hunts and shopping hauls. So if you love those type of videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell because each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So today we're going to be doing Decorate with me. We're going to be decorating my front porch for Valentine's Day. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I've been having a hard time finding any kind of Valentine's decor like wreaths for my front door. I've had a hard time finding pillows. So that's why I haven't put up a video, because I was really struggling to try to find something, and then I thought, well, if I have to resort going to the Dollar Tree to find something for the front door, maybe, just maybe I could pull it off. But I ended up coming up with a few things that I think will look nice out there. So let me share with you what I found. Now, over at Target, I found these rugs here. I always like to change out my rugs for the season, and this says love. I absolutely love this. It's so cute with the red, and this will bring in the perfect color for Valentine's Day. Now, these were $12, and I picked up 2 of them. And then what I'm going to do, normally after Christmas, I go back to my buffalo check on the bench. I put these pillows on there along with some buffalo check rugs I have. But since I had a hard time finding any pillows, I'm going to use these again, but I'm going to incorporate this pillow here that came from Home Goods. This is really cute with the bicycle and the little tree with little red hearts. This pillow was $16.99 at Home Goods. And then I have this little sign here. It says love. I think this came from Big Lots. If it didn't come from Big Lots, then Hobby Lobby. But I had this, I think last year, had this for a while, so I'm not sure on the price. But I always like putting a little sign by the front door as you enter on the side there. So I'll be using this sign here that says love. And then over at TJ Maxx, I picked up these little flowers here. They're pink roses. These were priced at $9.99. I think these were really pretty to put on my little side table next to the bench. And then over at the Dollar Tree, I was really impressed with these. This little vase here with the little red hearts, it's red, darker red, and white little hearts on here. So this is going to look really cute in there like that, and I'll put that on my side table. And I was, like I said, everything over at the Dollar Tree is $1, so I was real impressed with this little vase here. And then I picked this up over at, this is TJ Maxx, and I love this. Home is where my heart is. This is really cute, so I'll be using that with my flowers. And then over at Walmart, because I was having a hard time finding anything for the front door, not too bad for $4.88. So I think this will look really cute on there, this little 3 heart here, and it has the pink in the middle. Because at first I had all red, and I thought the only thing I had was the little flowers that were pink, and I thought, well, this has a little pink in there, so that'll bring in some more pink onto the front porch. And I have 2 of these for my front doors. So that's everything I have to decorate, so let's go out front and decorate for Valentine's Day. Well, I have a little piece of ribbon here, and you're probably wondering why I have this little ribbon. When I go to hang up my sign on the door there, and I use a little command hook, I don't want to see the hook itself because I'm using the rope and it's going to hang on the hook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little bow to disguise that because I never like seeing any of those hooks when you hang something. So it's very simple to take a little piece of wired ribbon and you can fold it over on the sides. And here, if you wanted to, you could add a little glue to hold that down. And then I think these are super easy to make. I just take this in the middle and pinch it together. And then you can fan your bow out however you like. And once you have it the way you want it, then all you have to do, because I want it to be even on both sides, I'll fix that. Once you have it the way you want it, then all you have to do is add some glue right in here. And then just pinch that for a few seconds. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these hearts and I'm going to put it right there in the middle. And then I'm going to put this, once I hang my sign up, then I'll show you where I'm going to put this.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Well, the front porch is all decorated for Valentine's Day. I'm super excited. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. It's sunny out. There's not a cloud in the sky. It's around 68 degrees with a slight breeze. So it's absolutely beautiful today in Florida. Now, as you can see, this little flag here, I forgot to share with you guys this. Don't know where I got this from, probably online somewhere, but I've had this for a couple years, so I thought I'd bring this out again. Put this on my flag holder. It says Happy Valentine's Day with the little letters and the floating hearts. I think this is so cute, and I absolutely love the way the porch turned out. This is one of my favorite spots to decorate for the seasons. So let's go up to the front and take a look and share with you how it turned out. I absolutely love the little floating hearts here. They came from Walmart for $4.88. I think they're perfect on here. And then as you come down here, I have the rugs that say love. And then just after Christmas, when I put all my Christmas decor away, I brought back my big pots on either side of the doors here. And what I put in there are these beautiful flowers. They're pansies. They come in a variety of colors. I absolutely love these. They filled out really nice in the pot here. Now the plant in the back, I'm not sure what that's called. I've never had it before, but I wanted to give it a little bit of height and something different. So I thought I'd use those in the pot there. So those are really cute. And then coming up here, the little sign that says love. Absolutely love this. Now that I created this little bow here, it's so cute. So again, if you ever want to hide a little command hook or something, try using a bow or something to disguise it. And then what I did was these little felt little hearts, they came from the Dollar Tree, and you get a pack of pink and red in different sizes. So I just glued those together onto the ribbon there, the little bow, and disguised the little command hook. And then I want to share with you the little front porch sign. I hauled this in one of my videos from Hobby Lobby. It says the porch, sit and relax. My husband hung that for me. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute there, so I wanted to share with you that. I finally got it hung. And then as we come around here to the other side of the front porch here is my bench with my little table. And I have my little roses here in pink and this little stacked books to give it a little bit of height. And then as you come over here, I have my pillows, the little Valentine's pillow from Target. And that's everything for the front porch. So I hope you guys got some decorating ideas and inspiration, and have a beautiful day. And until next time, happy decorating.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my own